95% of traders fail not because trading is hard or they don't have the best strategy. It is because they ignore these 5 basic rules of trading. And if you don't want to be part of that 95% of traders that fail, watch this video to the end. Once upon a time in my trading journey, when I used to jump from one trading analysis to another, because I believe that strategy is my problem, but I realized that it is not strategy when I come across these 5 things. The first thing we have to consider is how to manage your risk management. Yes, we have been talking about risk management. Risk management is the only thing that will help you to protect your capital in the market. And don't forget, as a trader, you should learn how to survive first before profits. If you are trading, only use 1% to 2% of your capital to trade, and don't overtrade. Do not overtrade. If you overtrade, this way you won't be able to manage your risk very well. Understand your mind and work towards the mind. And the second thing you have to understand is to stick with one trading strategy. Stop running from one strategy to another. If you stay with one strategy, you are going to learn entry mode from that strategy, your risk from that strategy, the way you trade from that strategy. Stay with it and repeat it again and again and again. That is how to be committed to the market. If not, you will keep losing your money. You won't be successful. You won't be qualified as a successful trader. If not, you will not last long in the market. Yes, you will not last long in the market. If you don't stay with one trading strategy. If you keep jumping from SMC to ICT to buying and selling to support and resistance, you keep losing and you keep blaming the market. You keep blaming the market for this. And the third point is learn how to control your emotion. Learn how to control your emotion in the market, because if you do not learn how to control your emotion in the market, you will develop fear of missing out, FOMO, overtrading. When you're trading, you are opening a position 5, 10 times in a day. Revenge trading more than your size capital. You don't know how to manage your leverages. Because if you don't learn how to control your emotion in the market, you keep going in and coming back. You keep losing, waste your capital, go back to hustle for another money, put it into the market. Your emotion will chase you out again. Don't forget, your biggest enemy in trading is not the market, it's your emotion. It's your emotion that is making you to fear not to miss out. Why are you scared not to miss out when there is endless opportunity in the market? The money is there. Then the fourth point we are going to talk about is develop a proven trading plan. Yes. Have a good entry mode. Develop a good exit mode. Know how to take your profits bit by bit. Since you can't be 100% correct in the market, take your profits bit by bit. If you do all this, you will be successful in trading. These are rules you have to follow. Believe me, if you did not believe me, if you are not following all these rules, you are still a gambler. You are one step out, one step in, 50-50 in the market, 50-50%. And do not forget, random trading brings random results. When you keep showing up, you keep trading, you see random, you lose, you win, you take even, you see random results. And the last part we are going to talk about is to be patient and think long. Trading is a journey. It's not a short time plan. Don't forget, success takes a long time to be achieved. Success is not something you can achieve in minds. Having proven all these points, if you follow these points step by step, you will see there will be a change in your trading volume. You will attain that height of a successful trader. These are points that help me to achieve my goals. Follow for more.